Hello, this is the Coco and Lefty Show, episode 28, 6th grade science. Hello, class. I have with me today Big Lion and my lab assistant, Lefty. I call this lesson the Extravagant Experiment. This will be about chemistry and nutrition. First, we're going to remove the shell from a raw egg without breaking the egg. We take a raw egg and put it in a glass and pour enough vinegar over it to cover the egg. We leave the egg in the vinegar undisturbed for 24 hours. This is what happens. See the raw egg without its shell? I'm going to puncture the egg so you can see that I'm not fooling you like I usually do. What happened? The eggshell is composed mostly of a calcium compound. The vinegar is acetic acid. There is a chemical reaction between the calcium and the acids, forming new compounds and water. You can do this at home and amaze your parents and make them glad to pay their school taxes. Now here is another egg that after the shell was dissolved was put in a glass of water for a week. See how much larger it is than the other egg? Does anyone in the class know why? All right, Debbie Ackerman, let's hear it. No, Debbie, it's not because I started with a larger egg. It became larger because the membrane around the egg is a permeable membrane. And the water, which is much simpler chemically than the contents of the egg, passes through the membrane, swelling the egg. If the egg stays in the water long enough, it will burst. This process is called osmosis. No, Debbie, I said osmosis, not I'm Moses. Now let's discuss the egg as a nutritional food. An egg is low in calories, about 70 calories, so you won't get fat eating them, like that boy sitting next to Mary Odak. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and many minerals and vitamins, and calcium if you eat the shell. In the United States, a person eats on the average 420 eggs a year, as boiled, scrambled, fried, omelets, and in many foods such as baked goods, desserts, and as an ingredient in many canned foods and processed meats. 6 billion dozen eggs a year are consumed. Does anyone know how many eggs that is? All right, Alex Kahn. That's right, Alex. You multiply 6 billion by 12. And the answer, Alex? 72 billion. Very good, Alex. That's our extravaganza of science for today. In our next experiment class, we will do a physics experiment and discuss reproduction. Maybe we can figure out which came first, the chicken or the egg. Okay, class, you can leave.